Guys, meron siya talagang receipt from LAC. Okay, so yung nabili ko kasi sa official website, official Shopee nila is a bundle, kaya dalawa siya. So, itong isa ay, ito talaga yung vitamins ni Stan. Just open. Ito talaga yung vitamins ni Stan, the Mega Multi from LAC. So, ang price nito ay $2,310. So, $2,310 yung price niya. There. And then, nakabundle siya dito. Ito ay yung kanilang probiotics. Actually, wala sila yung hindi nakabundle. So, tapos wala na rin silang stock. Diba nung nagpunta kami sa Eastwood branch nila, wala na silang stock ng vitamins nila. So, I decided na i-purchase na lang siya online. Yan. So, ito yung kabundle niya, the probiotics junior jelly. So, this is the first time na itatry ko this kasi ito yung talaga yung kanyang vitamins. So, first time niya itatry ito. This is $2,430. So, mas mahal pa pala itong probiotics na ito. Yun, ito na siya. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. We are going to Dior's vet. Anti-rabies niya na vaccine, which is every year annual. So ngayon yung, actually dapat last week, pero wala nga kami last week. So ngayon siya magba-vaccine. And then afterwards, it's right there, Dior. We're going to Eastwood para mag-lunch, early lunch siguro. Okay, so ayun na sila guys. Ito yung bagong vet clinic nung vet ni Dior kasi since nakuha namin si Dior, doon na kami sa kanyang vet na yon, but she transferred here, kaya nag-transfer din kami. So ayan yung dito to sa Concepcion, Marikina. Ayan sila, si Stan, tsaka si Daddy, and si Dior. So yun, sinundan din namin yung vet ni Dior kasi mas mas confident kami, mas nag-trust kami sa kanya kasi 3 months pa lang si Dior, siya na yung vet niya dun sa isang clinic na malapit lang sa place namin. But unfortunately, pero hindi yata unfortunately yun. Fortunately for her, she had to move to this vet clinic here in Marikina. So, nung nagsabi kami sa kanya na magpapavet si Dior, kasi yung may mga schedule kasi dun sa kanyang vet records, sabi niya wala na siya doon. So, nag-transfer na daw siya. And then, we immediately asked where she transferred and we followed her. Yun. So, dito siya nag-transfer and dito na rin kami ngayon nagpapavet. So, we have been bringing Dior here for, I think, January ba? Oo yata. Parang January kami nag-start dito na Kasi January nag-transfer si Doc dito. So yun. So yun lang. Maganda yung service dito. Siguro dahil si Doc yung nandito. At we make sure na may duty siya dun sa scheduled date ng vaccine ni Dior or deworming or yung kanyang monthly na tick and flea prevention. So yung mga ganon, we make sure na nandito si Doc. Although yung mga iba kasing kasama niya doon sa previous niya na vet clinic ay nag-transfer din dito. I think 3 sila. Yeah, 3 silang veterinarians from that previous vet clinic na nag-transfer dito. So, kung off man ni Doc, yung other veterinarians here, they also know Dior kasi nga from the previous vet clinic. So, we really trust them in taking care of Dior. And kasi, di ba, iba yung kapag kilala na talaga nila yung dog. Alam nila yung history, alam nila yung mga previous na mga nangyari sa kanya. Ang dali para kay Dior at saka para sa aming fur parents na na makipag-communicate kasi nga they know Dior. Kaya yun. So if you also want to check this vet clinic out, if you're near, like kung Marikina kayo or Antipolo or anywhere near Marikina, Concepcion, pwede kayong mag-visit dito. Yun lang. So, I'll get back to you guys pag tapos na sila. So, we're here na guys, entering Eastwood City. So, mag-early lunch kami pero busog pa kami kasi nag-take out kami kanina ng McDonald's. Yan siya. So, nag-take out kami kanina ng breakfast. Kaya medyo busog pa. Pero, yun. Siguro maglalakad-lakad muna kami. And then, yun. Medyo nakapag-decide na ata na sa Dennis kami mag-lunch. Mag-early lunch. Okay. So, yan. Has been a month, no?
Yeah.
Since yung last ni Dior.
Yes.
Where are you? No jumping here, ha? Stand. No, I'm thinking of another, ano ba to?
Express.
What floor? 3.
Kicking off.
You know the Japanese yen. Oh wait.
Doon. Food yun
that's
eh.
Food, I forgot.
No, that's food.
Yeah, later. Dad, why do you have it in the
Is that round or?
That's wrong.
I think I know where this little boy would like to go to. Here. He has a collection kasi of Lego. Since pa siya, preschool pa lang siya, nagla-Lego na siya. Grabe yung shield ni Captain America. There, oh. Captain America's shield.
That's 40,000 to 50,000.
Nice.
May bouquet of roses pa doon. Stan's buying. What did you buy?
Lego City Burger Shop. It's for my collection.
It's for your?
Collection.
Kaya ayaw ko mapadaan dito eh. Just kidding. Hindi pala natin. Let's go na. Go, go, go.
Somebody's building today.
Sabihin na niya. Ano? So Dad bought something.
Just put that place off there.
Okay guys, so we're here sa Dennis. And yun, mag-early lunch kami. So we're just choosing. Have you chosen anything? How about you, Dad? He's drinking his water. Does he want more?
Distracted, that's right. See?
Here, I got the bacon carbonara. Stan got, what's it again? The?
3 cheese penne.
3 cheese penne. And then that is,
Arroz caldo.
that's order is arroz caldo. Kasi ano, umuulan. Okay, bon appetit. Good morning guys. So I'm cooking pasta today. So yan, saute muna ako ng onion, garlic, tapos yung chicken, ground chicken yan. Hindi kami nag-pork. Tapos ito na yung pasta, na boil ko na siya. So yan. Ito yung gagamitin ko, creamy and cheesy spaghetti sauce. So yan, good morning guys. Ayun nga, I'm going to cook creamy and cheesy pasta today. So para siyang spaghetti. Basta hindi ko kasi alam kung anong pwede kong lutuin dun sa natitirang penne pasta namin. So, ayun. So I thought of cooking this para merong snacks stand for this morning.